What's up, guys? This is in Christmas I did this video of how I decorate my home, and I wanted to show you guys how I did it. How I decorate I set my table, and I wanted to show you a little bit of what I did. I go to Bed Bath and Beyond. I go to Home Goods and get some of these stuff, the pillow. I bought them at Home Goods and I changed them out. So I wanted to see how different my house looked for the holiday, but I did not get a chance to upload the video because I was so busy. And now I come back and I found it in my phone, and I said I wanted to do a voice record over and kind of explain a little bit about my decoration. I changed up my living room and my dining room for Christmas, and this is what it's looked like. Hope you guys enjoy this video. But yeah, so this is the settings, and I bought this white mat at Bed Bath. Where did I buy it? At Home Goods. And I bought the pillows at Home Goods as well. I kind of changed up a lot of things in the kitchen, but I didn't do a video. I changed out the stool that I have in the kitchen, and I went to Raymore and Flanagan and get the stools that I have in the kitchen for Christmas. But this is how I set up my Christmas tree. I always have a small Christmas tree, so now I just give that away and get a bigger one at Home Depot online, and that was a reasonable price comparing to the ones that they have in the store. Guys, the Christmas tree them was an arm and a leg, like $700 and so forth like that. So I encourage you, if you're in the US and you wanted a Christmas tree, go online on Home Depot. It definitely works better for me because this is a 7-foot Christmas tree. I wanted a 9, but I was worried that it's not gonna hold. It's gonna be too tall for the roof, so I bought a 7-foot, and it works perfectly. So this is the settings. Hopefully I get to change this sofa soon, and this big brown sofa, I kind of need something a little bit different. So maybe next Christmas I might change it, but this is quality sofa. I might just bring that up somewhere else, or maybe in the basement or something. I don't know yet. But this is the settings, guys, and tell me what you think. How do you think I did? Drop it in the comment section if you like how I set it up. I like space. I'm the kind of person that really loves space in my house. I don't like it to be crowded, but I think this is fine enough, and I get to clean and sweep and do whatever I want in the living room. So I like to have big space. I don't want my house to be crowded. Next year I maybe go gold with the white, take the white curtain down and do gold and white, because the house painting white, and that's not gonna change. Gray and white, and that's not gonna change. But I might do gold next Christmas, kind of change out the silver and white and try to put a gold. So yeah, I need to pack up these pillows now and maybe use them back next year or the other year. Depends on what I'm going to use for Christmas. But yeah, lovely, huh? I like it. It's just simple. It's not too crowded. It's not too plain. But to me, it's elegant to me. But tell me what you think about it. If I did well with the decoration and setting up my living and dining room. So don't forget to tell me if I did a good job, you guys. Those light over the table, when I just bought the house, I get them at Home Depot, and I really love them because they're unique. They don't look, like all the lights that I see out there. Is a little different, and I have one of that over the kitchen centerpiece as well, a single one in the kitchen centerpiece. But this is how I set it up, and I hope you like it. I don't understand why the glass entertainment, the glass thing, the colors kind of look a different. The colors are all the same, like the furniture colors are all the same, but in the video some of them kind of look a little darker, but they're really not darker. They're the same. It's just maybe the camera itself. Let's come up closer and to see the fireplace decoration. Yeah, so I bought these things at Michael's. Some of those I bought them at Michael's and on Route 10. So if you're a person that go to Michael's, you know what these are. But look on floor, girl floor shine and pretty. Yes, yes, those are the picture, you know. I'm so proud of myself. I'm the kind of person that likes to decorate for some reason, I don't know. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Bye. Yes, I'm here to tell you, please give the video a like. And with the fireplace decoration, my cousin started that. Actually, she loved to decorate as well, and she started the fireplace. And then after she bought some of the gloves thing that you hang down at Michael's, but then I went to Bed Bath and Beyond and I get some lovely Uggs one, and I decide to change them out and put the Uggs one instead. But honestly, when I saw the fireplace, I said, what am I gonna do with it? And I called her, and she told me that she was gonna get something for me, and she did get something to put on the fireplace. And then she gave me that idea, and then I just went ahead and get some more stuff and prep it up that way. So thank you, cuz you're the best.